Alright, you guys. Now today for lunch, I'm making some leftovers of my shrimp tacos that I made last night for dinner. So today what I did with the mixture that I made, with my salsa mixture, I steamed some fresh steamed spinach. And now I'm just going to throw in some feta cheese. Okay. And these are the big chunks, the feta chunks. Okay. I'm just sprinkling a little bit of that on top. Next, I just warmed up some of the shrimps. Look how nice and piping hot that is. And these are just quick, easy ideas that you can make for lunch. Okay. With some leftovers that you may have. I'm just going to toss that up. Okay. And drink some tea. Wow, that looks good. You can add in pretty much anything you want. I think today I'm just going to add in a little bit more cheese besides the feta. I'll probably throw a little sharp cheese in there. Okay. Make it a little cheesier. And this can actually be a dinner or a lunch meal. And that looks really good, you guys. It has the avocado slice chunks in there. It has the jalapeno peppers in there. It has the tomatoes. If you want a little zest or flavor, you can always add in some lemon juice. Okay, just a little bit of lemon juice. If you want to add in some salt and pepper, you can do that as well. But this is good, you guys. Very good and healthy. Just wanted to come back with a nice quick lunch idea for you. If you got leftovers and you want to know what to do with your leftovers, well, here is a really nice, fast, easy lunch that you can make with your leftover shrimp. And I just added in some steamed spinach into it. And there you go. Bon appetit and enjoy your lunch. Okay, welcome back, family. So now we are ready to get started with our cooking. So what you're going to need now is either a nice cast iron skillet or a regular iron skillet, and you're going to put it on your stove and heat it on a medium flame for at least 2 minutes. Then once you've done that, you add your extra virgin olive oil to your pan. Okay, once your skillet is nice and hot, now you're going to add in your shrimp mixture. I'm just going to pour that all in there, get all that goodness. And you're just going to stir your shrimp until it's cooked. Okay, so now we're going to start with our salsa. So in this bowl, we're going to combine the tomatoes, okay, your avocado. Now, being that we didn't cut our avocados except one, we're going to start that right now. All right, so I already pre-sliced it. Now, what I should do first is just slice the avocado slightly, make my little slices inside. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to do the same for this one as well. Now, you're just going to take your spoon and now you're just going to scoop it out, and it's already sliced into chunks. And drop that inside there as well. Now we're going to add in our jalapeno peppers. Going to add in some salt. Going to add in our cilantro. And we're going to add in some lime juice. Now we're going to combine all of these wonderful flavors. We're going to also add in a little bit of black pepper. Okay. So about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. That looks delicious, you guys. Okay, now that's your salsa that you're preparing. Like I said, it all depends on how many people you're cooking for, but we will see. At least for video purposes, you guys know exactly what to do. Alright, so we have our shrimp mixture and we have our salsa mixture ready to go. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.